Hello guys, welcome to Alex Xavier the Phone Collector. I got another package from eBay and it looks pretty small, but yeah, pretty average. So let's get right into it. I gotta cover the address, so um, I covered the address with my thumb because I don't want to leak the seller's information. So I believe there's nothing else in. I believe there's nothing else in here. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to show the address. Well, I'll probably try to blur it, but okay. Gotta be careful because these rubber bands might hurt. And here it is. This is the Blue Dash 3.52 that's unlocked. This is another Blue Dash 3.52. I did unbox the Life Wireless one, but this one is the unlocked variant. So here we go. Let's turn it on. This one's not on Life Wireless. This one's unlocked. Hopefully it's not locked, but it works perfectly. Hold on, I want to change the wallpaper. And yeah, I'm going to shut this one off. Done. I'll be right back. I'm going to clean this phone up. Alright guys, I'm back, and yeah, I wiped the phone down, and it seems to be that it has a low battery. It's at 10%. I swear it was at another battery percentage, but yeah. Let's see. Alright, there we go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my daily videos. And yeah, I'm going to be comparing the Life Wireless one versus the unlocked one soon. I'm going to do a boot up race on both of them. So I'm going to do the Life Wireless Blue Dash 3.52 and the unlocked Blue Dash 3.52. And to see which one's better. And yeah, technically that the Life Wireless Blue Dash 3.52, that one's rare. You don't find those anywhere. There were only two of them on eBay. But yeah, I got one on eBay from Lugia's Phones. This one I got from ProLight Cell Supplies. And yeah, hope I'll make the boot up race between the Blue Dash 3.52 that's unlocked and the Blue Dash 3.52 that's on Life Wireless. So stay tuned for that video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.